Hello, Compass community. Spring has sprung, and here in California, that means that our annual state assessment time is here. We will start our assessments on Monday. And so I just wanted to bring you some information to let you know how important it is that we reach our 95% participation rates for our scholars so that our success can be evident on our California dashboard and in all of our reports to our authorizers. I've had some help compiling some data that I think will help you understand the importance of this participation rate and how it impacts our reports. So in California, schools are measured against a distance from standard. And so as you can see on this chart, this zero line is the standard, and then you have schools that are performing above and schools that are performing below. And here on the end is the information for California. So on the California dashboard, schools are measured by whether or not they are above or below the California distance from standard. So for our test scores at Compass last year, you can see we have all three charters here, Los Angeles, San Diego, and YOLO. And we have some different bars. So let me walk you through this. So last year, our distance from standard for our Los Angeles charter in English language arts was 72.2 points below. And for math, it was 109.3 points below. But the reason that those numbers are so low is that we were assigned a loss penalty because we did not meet our 95% participation rate. Without that loss penalty, in Los Angeles, we were 24 points below standard and 75 points in math, which is still below the California standard, but looks much better. And you can see the same for our San Diego and YOLO charters. And in YOLO, we actually beat the state in both English language arts and math. Without the loss penalty. But with the loss penalty, you can see we were much below. Now, what I'm really excited about is that if you look at this top of the chart, these bars represent how we predict our scholars will do on the state assessments based on their STAR assessments. So we have done a great job this year of meeting our 95% participation rate for our local assessments. And because of that, we have really strong data that predicts how scholars will do when they take those state assessments. So if we reach our 95% participation rate and our scholars just do their best like they do every time they take the STAR assessment, we have the potential for not only meeting the state distance from standard, but exceeding the standards in all areas for all of our charters. And I know that that is the true measure of achievement here at Compass. And I want to make sure that we are showing the state and our authorizers that we really are making a difference in our scholars' lives and that they are achieving at amazing levels. So please join me in making sure that all of our scholars are able to access the assessments and that they participate. I really need your help in meeting that 95% participation rate. It is critical not just for the dashboard, but also for our charter renewal and reauthorization. Right now, if these scores from last year put us in the red across all of our charters for authorization purposes. In YOLO, if we were able to use these scores, we would be in the top tier of charter renewal and authorization, which means a fast-tracked renewal. That is amazing. That is important to us. It helps us, it makes sure that we can operate as a school in the future. And I believe that all of our charters can be in that same category of that highest achieving for authorization if we have all of our scholars participate. So thank you so much for your attention. Please let me know if you have any questions. Contact your supervising teacher or me or anybody in our departments for assistance if you have any questions. And thank you so much.